Hi, I'm Rahul, and here I am going to describe the third chapter of class 9 Behind Book. Guys, I want to tell you the little girl. It is the name of the chapter, and this is the story of a little girl who is Kezia. The characters I want to tell you that Kezia and Kezia's father, Kezia's grandmother, Kezia's mother. So Kezia who misunderstood her father's strictness. केजिया एक लड़की है, छोटी सी लड़की, जो कि अपने फादर के स्ट्रिक्टनेस को थोड़ा सा मिसअंडरस्टूड करती है, वो समझ नहीं पाती है और उसे लगता है कि उसके जो फादर हैं वो स्ट्रिक्ट हैं, वो उसको और फादर्स की तरह ही डजंट लव और देयर इज नो एनी अफेक्शन टुवर्ड्स हर. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर देयर एंड शी यूजुअली रिमेन्ड स्केयर्ड ऑफ हिम. शी केप्ट अ डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम हिम. दूरी बना करके रहती है. जो वहां पे जहां पे फादर रहते हैं वहां पे वो जाती नहीं है, जैसे ड्राइंग रूम में एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग फादर यूज्ड टू गो टू ऑफिस एंड ही यूज्ड टू गिव अ कैजुअल किस टू केजिया. एंड व्हेन ही रिटर्न फ्रॉम द ऑफिस द केजिया शी डिडंट गो टू फादर. दिस इज व्हाई, because she misunderstood her father's strictness. By watching the eyes, by watching the mouth, she understood that her father is just as big as a giant, and she would often get nervous and stutter while talking to him. वो उनसे बात करते समय हमेशा नर्वस होती है, हमेशा फील करती है कि नहीं, दिस इज नॉट गुड. एंड she longed for his love and affection like her neighbor Mr. McDonald. One neighbor is there whose name is neighbor uncle is there, Mr. McDonald, and she wants to know, she wants to get that affection like Mr. McDonald, who gives affection and love to his children. Once she was kept indoors and she was affected by cold. Her grandmother suggested that she make a gift for her father's birthday, which was next week. उसके फादर्स का बर्थडे था जो कि नेक्स्ट वीक था. तो उसकी जो ग्रैंड मदर थी उन्होंने क्या सजेस्ट किया कि उसे कोई गिफ्ट देना चाहिए फादर्स के बर्थडे पे. एंड देन डिसाइडेड टू मेक अ पिन कुशन फॉर फादर. सो केजिया मेड अ ब्यूटिफुल पिन कुशन, बट सी एक्सीडेंटली मेड अ मिस्टेक. उसने अनजाने में क्या किया है, मिस्टेक कर दिया. वो क्या था मिस्टेक भाई? तो वो ये था कि सी फिल्ड विद द बिट्स ऑफ पेपर सी गॉट बाय टीयरिंग हर फादर्स इंपॉर्टेंट स्पीच. हर फादर ही हैज पुट सम स्पीच पेपर्स इन हिज रूम. सी वेंट इन द रूम एंड सी कलेक्टेड ऑल दोज स्पीच पेपर्स एंड पुट दैट इन दैट पिलो व्हाट शी वाज मेकिंग टू गिफ्ट हर फादर. So, you know, when her father started to search that speech, he could not find that. All the servants were asked, all mother was asked, grandmother was asked, everyone was asked there. But nobody told that no, they know about it. Finally, it was the time of Kezia. She was asked, and when the mother, she went in room of Kezia, she found that the speech papers were scattering all over the room. She asked to Kezia, and she could know, the mother of Kezia could know that she was just making a gift for father birthday, and she has filled all those speech papers in that cushion. Mother went to father and she explained all those things to him. Then after क्या होता है कि फादर को जब ये बात के बारे में पता चलता है तो वो बहुत ही एंग्री होते हैं, बहुत ही गुस्सा होते हैं. एंड फाइनली वो एक बड़े से स्टिक के साथ केजिया के रूम में जाते हैं. केजिया बेचारी छुप छुप करके बैठी होती है इन द कॉर्नर ऑफ दैट रूम ऑन द बेड, एंड शी वॉज रियली वेरी फ्राइटेंड विद द फादर. और फादर जो होते हैं वो उसे बोलते हैं कि गिव योर हैंड, एंड ही हिट वन स्टिक ऑन द पिंक पाम ऑफ केजिया. So here वी कैन से कि उस दिन जिस दिन उसे एक स्टिक पड़ती है, उस दिन होल नाइट केजिया वाज जस्ट सॉबिंग देयर. शी कुड नॉट कलेक्ट द शी डिड नॉट टेक डिनर एंड एनीथिंग. ग्रैंडमदर इवन शी tried to convince her, tried to motivate her, but she could not do that. And एक दिन की बात है यहाँ पे जो है कि हाउ डिड द इंटेंशन और जो एक केजिया का बिहेवियर था, केजिया का इंटेंशन था फादर के प्रति, जैसे कि वो फील करती थी कि नहीं हर फादर इज रूड, हर फादर इज नॉट लविंग हर, वो कैसे चेंज हुआ. हर फादर इज स्ट्रिक्ट. तो I want to tell you that one day what happened that her mother fell ill and she was hospitalized. एक दिन उसकी माँ बीमार हो गई केजिया की और वो हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड हो गई. तो उस दिन क्या हुआ कि even the grandmother of केजिया she had to go to hospital and they left alone at home to केजिया. That day cook whose name is Alice, she was told to take care of केजिया. And after taking dinner, Kezia went to sleep in her room. But she told that she would get fear during the night time, which was the nightmare that used to come. उसको हर रोज एक सपना, बुरा सपना आता था. It was the nightmare, means bad dream, and it was the recurring dream जो बार बार आते करता था, हुआ करता था in the dream of Kezia. And that day also happened during the night time when she was sleeping on the bed in her room. Same dream that came, one butcher with a knife who was chasing Kezia, having a rope also in his hand. After watching the dream, in her sleep, Kezia screamed. The father of Kezia came in the room and she asked what happened. Kezia was in fear. She could not explain anything. और फिर क्या होता है कि उसके फादर उसको वहां से उठाते हैं and he picked her up and took her to room. He tucked her up in his bed and soon fell asleep. उसके बाद जब वो फादर के बेड पे सोई है, फादर सोए हैं, तब she felt so secure lying near her father, and she realized that time her father was not as big as giant. उसके जो फादर हैं वो जाइंट नहीं है. he is also loving one, he cares her, and she felt the beating of her father's loving larger. Finally, Kezia realized her father was very loving and had a generous heart. Now we discuss 1-2 questions which are important from the exam point of view. So first question I want to discuss, why was Kezia afraid of her father? So Kezia was afraid of her father because she was strict. He stared at her and even gave her physical punishment. Another question, who are the people in Kezia's family? So we can say in all there were 4 members in Kezia family. Her strict father, mother, a loving grandmother, and Kezia herself. So another question I want to discuss, in what ways did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? Kezia grandmother wanted Kezia to have a strong bond of love and affection with her parents. In order to develop that, she encouraged Kezia to go downstairs every Sunday afternoon to spend time with her parents and to get to know them better. So guys, all these questions we have discussed. Those who have not subscribed my channel, you subscribe it to get the latest update of the videos. If you have any problem with the explanation or thing, you can put that in the comment box. Thank you.